Hey guys, welcome back to my channel natassiar1. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about the benefits of acai berry, pomegranate and vanilla latte. So on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the beautiful latte, as well as what are the amazing benefits that you can get for your skin, for your body, for your hair, and just overall health. So stick around as we get into it. If you like today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and check out my website www.natassiar1.com. So let's get into it. First of all, this latte is so pretty. Now, everyone who knows me knows that I love the color pink, and so who wouldn't love a pink latte? I've done a similar latte called beetroot latte on my channel. You can check out that recipe as well. However, this one gives it a berry touch, it gives it a taste of vanilla, and you've got the goodness of 3 superfoods in one latte. So, what is so awesome about acai berry? Now, acai berries are found in South America, and it is known to be a superfood. Now, here in South Africa, it's not very easy to get acai berry fruit. So what they do is they actually pulverize it into a powder, and that's how they preserve it and keep it much longer in a lot of our health stores and retailers here in SA. So if you cannot get the fruit online or anywhere else, settle for the powder. You can get an acai berry powder as well as a berry powder as well to use, which has blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. So that's also an awesome powder to use. Now, what makes acai berry a superfood is that it's packed with amazing nutrients. It's got essential vitamins. It's got K, it's got phosphorus, it has vitamin C. It's just a powerful antioxidant that you can use for your body. And it's also a tropical fruit from South America that you can essentially use on a daily basis for your overall health. If you suffer from inflammation, acai berry is fantastic. You can add the powder into your smoothies, food, when you're cooking soups. Acai berry soups on a hot day. If you want a chilled vibe soup for yourself, that's a fantastic opportunity for yourself. Acai berry is fantastic. The other key ingredient to this latte is pomegranates. Now, pomegranates are a fantastic superfruit as well. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, nutrients, helps fight inflammation, and is great for detoxing the body. And look at the color of these. These are just absolutely beautiful. If I give it, it's got this ruby gem, jewel type of feel to it and look to it. It's absolutely stunning. But it's actually more than just a visually beautiful fruit. As I said, packed with vitamin C, fights anti-aging, because the vitamin C actually helps with collagen production, which is great for your skin. So I love this pomegranate. The flavor, a bit sweet, very juicy, bit sour-ish, but fantastic. Sorry, I'm addicted. This is so good. Then, what other ingredients to look out for are your mixed berries. Now, if you had gut health issues like I have, or you've had inflammation issues, which I've also suffered with, berries are fantastic. Also for balancing hormones in the female body. You can do blackberries, you can do raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries. But what I do is, you can actually use fresh fruit in your latte if you'd like. And I know this sounds crazy, but what you can do is you can stew the fruit until you get a bit of a jam flavor with like a little bit of sugar in some hot water. Boil that all together and let that cool and concentrate. And you can add a dollop of that when you're making your latte. You can actually use a mixed berry jam-ish syrup to flavor your latte if you'd like. So that's pretty cool. So the last key ingredient is vanilla extract. Now, not vanilla essence, vanilla extract, where they take the vanilla pods or beans, you scrape off the goodness of it, and you get this beautiful concentrated flavor of vanilla. Now, anyone who knows me knows I also love vanilla. It's just fantastic. Vanilla is great for stress relief. You can add it to teas, you can add it to lattes. Just smelling it just puts you in a better mood. It's known as a mood enhancer and a mood booster. So vanilla tea or vanilla extract itself is fantastic for you. If you're having a stressful day at work, you need something to calm you down. I can add this to smoothies. I can add this to my lattes. I can even add this to a tea bag and brew some fresh vanilla tea. How amazing is that? Okay, so let's get into how do you make this amazing latte. So what you do is, in your cup, you can actually take a teaspoon of the acai berry powder and put half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, up to you in terms of how concentrated you want the flavor. You add that into your cup, boil some water, probably 2 tablespoons. Add that once it's boiled and mix it together. Now, the reason we add the hot water to the powder is because we don't want lumps, and because it's a powder, we don't want it to be clumpy, and then you've got lumps in your latte. It just doesn't look nice and it doesn't taste nice. So mix it all together until it dissolves. Then you're going to add about 100 ml of plant milk or any milk of your choice. Throw that in, mix that all together, add your vanilla extract. And what I do just for additional flavor is I'll pop a few pomegranates into the latte itself. And I know it sounds crazy, but you know, when you have your latte, you're getting these bursts of flavor of fruit, which is absolutely fantastic. Now remember, if you do the berry jam or syrup, how fantastic and more concentrated is that latte. So guys, that's how simple it is to make this beautiful latte. Now remember, these are amazing ingredients for you to use, adapted to your palate and what's available in your local markets or country. So pomegranates, fantastic for skin. Acai berry, superfood for fighting a lot of diseases, inflammation and gut health. Mixed berries and vanilla extract for balancing hormones, you know, mood enhancing your mood and stress relief. So let's give it a taste. Oh my word, yes. This is absolutely delicious. Now, if you want to show off to your friends in this holiday, this beautiful latte will do the trick. This pink latte, do it whenever you want to, during the holidays, off season, at work, show off as much as you can, and I hope you enjoy it, guys.